In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sounds problem on any Android phone in less than 1 minute. So please keep watching until the end and I am sure that the problem is going to be fixed. So first thing you have to do is go to settings on your phone. Now as you can see, this is the settings page on my Huawei phone, or you can say the Android phone. Now all what you have to do is scroll down and go to this system option. After you go to system, click on receipt right here and go to receipt all settings like this, and then click on this option down here. Now as you can see, all the settings including the following will be reset from the all network setting, face data, the lock screen password, and go back and then go back again, click on software update and make sure to update your phone to the newest version, and then restart your phone and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.